K tax code explained simply. A K tax code causes a lot of confusion when people see it. The K at the start means you have a negative allowance. Rather than having a tax-free amount that reduces what you are taxed on, a K code works in reverse. It increases the amount of your income that is subject to tax. A K code is used when the deductions HMRC needs to collect are greater than your personal allowance. This most commonly happens when you have a taxable benefit from your employer, such as a company car, when you have unpaid tax from a previous year being collected through your current pay, or when you receive a taxable state benefit alongside employment income. With a normal tax code, your allowance is subtracted from your income before tax is calculated. With a K code, the number is added to your income instead. A code of K500 means £5,000 is added to your taxable income. So if you earn £25,000, your taxable income for that calculation becomes £30,000. Because a K code increases your taxable income, you pay more tax each month than you would on the same salary with a standard code. HMRC limits the maximum extra tax that can be collected through a K code to 50% of your gross pay in any single pay period, so your employer cannot take more than half your pay in tax at any one time. Here is an example. If you have a code of K300 and earn £28,000 a year, £3,000 is added to your taxable income. Your taxable income becomes £31,000 instead of £28,000. Tax is then calculated on £31,000, resulting in a higher monthly deduction than you would pay without the K code. This is useful to know when you see a K at the start of your tax code and want to understand what it means. When your tax deduction seems higher than expected for your salary, when you have a company car or taxable benefit, or when you have received a letter from HMRC about collecting unpaid tax through your pay. A K code is not always wrong. In many cases it is correctly applied. However, you should always understand why you have one. Log into your personal tax account at gov.uk to see a full breakdown of what is included in your code. If anything looks incorrect, contact HMRC to have it reviewed. Your full tax code breakdown is available through your personal tax account at gov.uk. This shows exactly what is included in your K code and why the figure has been calculated the way it has. A common mistake is assuming a K code means something has gone wrong and panicking. In many cases, the code is correct. It simply reflects a taxable benefit or a previous underpayment being collected. The important thing is to understand it, not to ignore it. To recap, a K code means you have a negative allowance. Your taxable income is increased rather than reduced, most commonly caused by a taxable benefit, unpaid tax, or a taxable state benefit. Check the breakdown in your personal tax account at gov.uk to make sure yours is correct. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more everyday money explained simply.